everyone, we are Girl Scout Troop 61603. We are working towards earning our Bronze Award by helping animals get adopted. We want to spread awareness about animals who need kind and loving forever homes and, in the process, help local shelters.
In this video, we're going to show you how to make cat scratchers out of recycled cardboard. Here are the steps to make our toys. What you'll need: one intact box, several broken down boxes, scissors, duct tape.
Step 1. Cut the broken down boxes into 2-inch strips. Step 2. Place tape on the bottom side of the box, sticky side up. Step 3. Put the cut cardboard strips inside of the box sideways. Great job! You did it! Try these out on your pets or make a bunch for your local animal shelter.
According to the ASPCA, 5.8 million dogs and cats entered shelters and rescue centers in 2024. 4.2 million shelter animals were adopted into loving homes in 2024. Approximately 607,000 animals were euthanized in shelters in America. Please consider adopting an animal today to help more pets find their forever homes.